guys. Sorry.
Hello, everyone. We ask that you please refrain from eating, drinking, or using flash photography during today's performance. All right, put on your opera glasses because it's time to present Maestro Mickey Mouse and the PhilharMagic Orchestra. Where's Napa? The orchestra's missing it. It's showtime.
Showtime? Well, I gotta open the curtains. What's that? I can't hear you, Mickey. Donald, wake up! It's showtime! Don't forget the orchestra. And don't touch my hat.
Bonjour! It is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now, the dining room proudly presents your dinner. Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, sherry, and we provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvre. Why, we only live to serve. Try the gray stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes. Sing you off to sleep as you digest. Tonight you brought your feet up, but for now, sir, be our guest. Be our guest. Be our guest.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore.
want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be where the people are. I want to see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore above? Watch and you'll see. Someday I'll be part of your. Before I'm brushing up, I'm looking down, I'm working on my
Thus far, a rather uninspiring feat.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Everybody look left, everybody look right. Everywhere you look, I'm sending the spotlight.
Not yet.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Oh, I just can't wait to be What color is the sky? Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You tell me that it's red. Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. Where should I put my shoes? Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You say, put them on my head. Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You make me un poco loco, un poquitito loco. The way you keep me guessing, I'm nodding and I'm yesing. Now can't you just see that I'm only un poco loco?
That you make me, it is just un poco crazy. The sense that you're not making
The liberties you're taking
leaves my cabeza shaking.
You're just
Here we go.
There's a smile in your heart. There's no better time to start. Become enjoy your time. When you leave the world behind and make your kiss goodbye.
I can show you the world, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
I sure hope you like the show, everybody. Oh, and on your way out, please put your opera glasses in the special containers near the exit. Thanks, and have a PhilharMagical day.